Hi, everyone. Welcome to this video where I'll teach you the most useful phrases when you're checking into a hotel in English. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, these phrases will make your stay much smoother. Let's get started. First things first, when you arrive at the hotel, you usually go to the reception desk. Here are a few things you can say when you check in. Hello, I have a reservation under the name, your name. I'd like to check in, please. Could I have my room key? Let's say you've booked your room online. When you arrive, you could say something like this. Hello, I have a reservation under the name Sarah Lopez. The receptionist will check your details and give you your room key. Once you've checked in, you might have some questions about your room or the hotel facilities. Here are some useful questions to ask. Could you tell me where the elevator is? Where is the breakfast served? What time is checkout? If you're not sure where something is, you could ask, excuse me. Could you tell me where the gym is? Or if you're wondering about meals, you might ask, what time is breakfast served? Sometimes, things might not be perfect. If you have an issue with your room, here's how you can handle it politely. Excuse me, there seems to be a problem with my room. The air conditioning isn't working. Could someone come take a look? Could I change rooms, please? For example, if your room is too hot, you could say, excuse me. The air conditioning isn't working. Could someone come take a look? Most hotels will be happy to help you. If you need extra services, like room service, or you want extra towels, here are some phrases you can use. Could I get a wake-up call for 7 a.m., please? Can I order room service? Could I have some extra towels sent to my room? Maybe you're hungry and don't want to leave your room. You could call the front desk and say, can I order room service? When it's time to leave, you'll need to check out. Here are a few phrases that will help. I'd like to check out, please. Could I have the bill, please? Can I leave my luggage here for a few hours? When you're ready to check out, just go to the front desk and say, I'd like to check out, please, asterisk. And if you need to store your luggage for a few hours, you can ask, can I leave my luggage here until my flight? And that's it. These are some of the most important phrases you'll need when staying at a hotel. I hope this video helps you feel more confident next time you check into a hotel. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.